Hello students, welcome back. Students, today we have revision of question number 5th, letter writing, paragraph writing, essay writing. Students, as you know, we have already finished the revision of grammar, okay, through online classes as well as through offline classes. So students, today I am going to revise one more time letter writing. Please remember, dear students, here letter writing. Students, now here letter writing, it will be asked in the examination. Students, I know very well I have given you 3 or 4 letters, okay? But dear students, one letter will be asked. Topic may be changed. Whatever the letters I have given to you, that is just for only examples. Topics may be changed. What kind of topics will be asked? I am going to revise. Listen to me. First, I have written here, write a letter to an aunt telling her about you winning a song competition. Students, I have selected topic here, winning a song competition. Okay. So instead of song competition, it can be asked drawing competition. It can be asked dance competition. It can be asked essay competition. Students, please try to prepare yourself for this. Suppose I have taken a song competition, so I am going to write this letter to my aunt. Can you write a letter to an aunt? Okay. So students, now your address, same like this format will be given to you in your paper. Just follow this format. Okay. Your name, your whatever address is given, your particular place, village, city is given, your date is given, and here dear aunt. It means to whom you are going to write a letter. You are going to write a letter to your aunt Nana. I have written just for example the name Nana. You can write your aunt name also. Okay. Now let's start. So first of all, the first paragraph, as I told you, the first paragraph will be only just introduction. Only just introduction, dear students. So what? First of all, you will write, I hope you are fine. Okay? How will you write? So first write, that's okay, hope you are fine. Hope you are fine. Okay? Now the next line, I am writing. I am writing this letter. I am writing this letter to tell you that. I am writing this letter to tell you that. I am writing this letter to tell you that. Tell you that I have won a song competition. Can you see the written song competition? A song competition. So dear students, you have the first paragraph is finished. Okay. Now the first paragraph is finished. Okay. I hope you are fine. I am writing this letter to tell you that I have won a song competition. Now next paragraph, what will be there? You will discuss about the song competition, where it was held, in which school, another school, or your same school. So students, now let's see where you have taken taken part. So let's see where you have taken. So now second paragraph will be that what the competition was. Second paragraph. The competition was held. The competition was held. Okay. And what held where? In another school. The competition was held in another school. This is the second paragraph, first line. Now next, what will you write, dear students? You will write it was an. What will you call? It was a song competition. It need to write that it was an inter-school competition. It was an inter-school competition. Next, I am so happy. What do you score? I am so happy. I am so happy that you are the first person. I am so happy that you are the first person. Okay, I am writing about it. I am so happy that you are the first person. I am writing about it. Second one. Okay, dear students, this is dear students. The first one is about only introduction. The second one is about the competition. Okay, next. Now, how? What do you want to inform your aunt? So, dear students, remember that you all okay. So, next, the third paragraph. We were informed about it earlier. I did a lot of practice for it, and I won the first prize. So this is the paragraph, students. Okay. Now finish. Now what will you write? I won the first prize. Next, convey my regards. You will write convey my regards to uncle. Convey my regards to uncle. Okay, students, this is the thing. Letter is going to angle. Afterwards, what you closer. So in closer, what you write your name, and here your name. Whatever the name is. So I am writing the students, this is a sample letter only just for one example. Okay, dear students, listen to me. I have selected here topic for competition for the letter, but it can be changed. Suppose if I talk about an as a competition, please remember, dear students, if I talk about an as a competition, so same form will be there. Here also same. Okay, here just will be changed. Hope you are fine. I am writing this letter to tell you that I have won a song competition. The topic is song competition, so I have written the letter about song competition. Next, okay, next is song competition also you can say. Next, or you can say about singing competition also. Okay, song competition. The competition was held in another school. It was a song competition. It was an inter-school competition. I am so happy that you are the first person. I am writing about it. We were informed about it. Okay, earlier we were informed about it. Earlier I did a lot of practice for it and I won the first prize. Convey my regards to uncle. You are certainly coming. Dear students, I have selected here the topic on song competition. But while in the examination it can be asked drawing competition. Suppose if it is asked for drawing competition, so what will you change? So here suppose you have song competition, so you can ask here a drawing competition. Suppose this topic is there, so students, what will you do? You no need to do anything, just be attentive what to do. Okay, your address will be there, dear aunt, Nana, Common. Hope you are fine. I am writing this letter to tell you that I have won a song competition. So instead of a song competition, students, you need to write your drawing competition. The competition was held in another school. It was a drawing competition. It was an inter-school competition. I am so happy that you are the first person I am writing about it. We were informed about it earlier. I did a lot of practice and I won the first prize. Convey my regards to Ungal. Yours lovingly, Ami. So dear students, I talked about drawing competition. Suppose, dear students, if it is asked an essay competition, what I am saying now, an essay competition. Instead of yes or competition is that, and by mistake the topic is changed. Suppose instead of a song competition, and it is asked an essay competition. So what you need to do, dear students? You need to change here one topic, an essay competition. You also change it, an essay competition. Try to remember, dear students. Please listen to me very carefully. I am giving you here one letter, but how to write two more letters about two more topics? I am giving you, okay, hints. Try to remember. Suppose here this thing, 58 Saket, New Delhi, 9th August, and your dear and hope you are fine. I am writing this letter to tell you that I have won an essay competition. The competition was held in another school. It was an essay competition. It was an inter-school competition. I am so happy that you are the first person I am writing about it. We were informed about it earlier. I did a lot of practice. I did a lot of practice for it and I won the first prize. Convey my regards to Uncle, yours lovingly, Amit. So dear students, like this way you can write two more letters about different topics. So students, I hope you understood about this letter writing. Let's go for the next. What do you call? Next topic is paragraph writing. Okay? You can see the letter. Can you see the letter? Students, now let's start question number B, paragraph writing. Students, this paragraph writing, it will be asked for 2 marks. Please remember, this paragraph writing, it will be asked for 2 marks. Letter writing, first we have discussed, it will be asked for 3 marks. Paragraph will be 2 marks. So students, topic may be different. Here I have selected one topic, keeping surroundings clean. Keeping surroundings clean, that is a topic. We need to write this, okay? We need to write one short paragraph for this topic for only 2 marks. So students, what can we do? What can we write? So how to keep surrounding clean? We should write about that. So students, you can see I have written here. So first, all of us live in a neighborhood or surrounding. All of us, we have our surroundings. Okay, we must keep our surroundings neat and clean. As you know, dear students, cleanliness is necessary. Okay, now coronavirus is also there. So what if we keep the surroundings clean? So it will be easy for us. It will help us to stay healthy life, to live healthy life. I have written here, all of us live in a neighborhood or surrounding. We must keep our surroundings neat and clean. This will help us to live a healthy life. So dear students, I have written here one paragraph, that is the topic is keeping surroundings clean. This whole paragraph, okay dear students, this is the one whole paragraph. Once again, all of us live in a neighborhood or surrounding. We must keep our surroundings neat and clean. This will help us to live a healthy life. Continue right. Keeping our surroundings clean will only help in the betterment of society. Waste or garbage should not be thrown anywhere, but only in trash bins. One should use recycle and eco-friendly products. Dear students, I have selected this paragraph for 2 marks. Try to write more about, okay, for this paragraph. Keeping surrounding clean. Okay, dear students, here you can see here I have selected here keeping surroundings clean. So all of us live in a neighborhood or surroundings. We must keep our surroundings neat and clean. Clean surrounding help us to stay stay healthy, okay, help us to live healthy life. Keeping surrounding clean, it will be useful for the betterment of the society. People will live healthy life. People will live more and more years. Next, garbage and waste should not be thrown anywhere. Garbage and waste should not be thrown anywhere. It should be thrown into trash bins. You can say dustbins. We should not throw garbage here and there. Okay, on the road also. We must use trash bins, okay, for throwing garbage, because throwing garbage anywhere, it will create disease. Due to this, disease will be spread and disease will be created. People will become the victims of the disease. So it's a better that we should throw garbage and waste into trash bins only. Okay, next you can see one should use recycle and eco-friendly products. Dear students, we should use recycled products. We should use the products which can be recycled. So that is the best example. Dear students, you need to remember we should use cloth bags instead of plastic bags. Dear students, here you can write that we should not use plastic bags. In place of plastic bags, we should use jute bags or cloth bags for buying something from the market or buying something from the shop. So it's a better advice that we should stop the use of plastics in our day-to-day life. So like this way, dear students, we can write the para about keeping surroundings clean. Suppose I have selected here one para, keeping surroundings clean, but next the para may be changed. The topic may be changed. The topic can be asked that what I am doing. What am I doing to keep my surrounding clean? It's a very easy topic, dear students. Suppose, dear students, if it is asked, what am I doing to keep my surrounding clean? So what will you write? Okay, I am giving you that also, that how to write what am I doing. Okay, now can you see I have written here this paragraph as you can see here. Okay, keeping surroundings clean. Okay, I know very well. You can see this. Okay. Just take it. Okay. Now next, if I say how to keep, okay, what am I doing to keep my surroundings clean? Let me explain more about it. Okay. Now I am writing. Students, if it is asked, suppose this topic is asked, what am I doing to keep my surroundings clean? What am I doing to keep my surroundings clean? Same para will help you, dear students. This same para will help you for writing this topic. So first of all, I keep my surroundings clean. I throw garbage and waste only in the trash bins. I do not throw garbage anywhere. I use, let me write more lines about this. I use recycle products like paper, Next, I use cloth bags or jute bags instead of plastic bags. Okay. And keep my neighborhood clean to live a healthy life. Students, I have written here this paragraph for what? You can say, what am I doing to keep my surrounding clean? So students, I have written this paragraph for only 2 marks. You can see here, I keep my surroundings clean. I throw garbage and waste only in the trash bins. I do not throw garbage anywhere. I use recycled products like paper. I use cloth bags or jute bags instead of plastic bags. I keep my neighborhood clean to live a healthy life. So students, here we should write what steps, what do you do to keep your surrounding clean. You should write that thing. Okay, I hope you understood about this topic. You can see on the board. Dear students, next, now I hope you understood this paragraph writing